Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, I'll be talking about the tool specs for brad nailers. When you get ready to use a brad nailer, you always want to reference the tool specifications and the nail specifications. This is going to give you a few requirements that you're going to have to follow when using your brad nailer, otherwise you could damage it. What I want to look at is the operating pressure. It says it needs to be 70 to 120. If I have it under 70, there's not going to be enough pressure to put a brad into a piece of lumber. If I go over 120, there's too much pressure inside the tool and it could damage the tool. Next is the loading capacity, which is up to 110 nails. When you get ready to fill your brad nailer with nails, you can only put a certain amount in, otherwise it won't function properly. And lastly, what I look at is the length of nail. So I can put anywhere between a 5/8 of an inch and a 2-inch nail in here. And they have to be 18 gauge, which is the shank diameter.